Welcome to our Specification Master channel. Today we will discuss the world's largest aircraft carrier. Let's find out all his information. USS Gerald R. Ford is the lead ship of her class of United States Navy aircraft carriers. The ship is named after the 38th President of the United States, Gerald Ford, whose World War II naval service included combat duty aboard the light aircraft carrier Monterey in the Pacific Theater. Today we will discuss the world's largest aircraft carrier. Let's find out all his information. The title of the world's biggest aircraft carrier belongs to the U.S. Navy's Gerald R. Ford class battleships. The first carrier in this class, USS Gerald R. Ford, was commissioned in May 2017. Name, USS Gerald R. Ford. Namesake, Gerald R. Ford. Awarded, September 10, 2008. Builder, Newport News Shipbuilding. Cost, $12.8 billion plus $4.7 billion rand, estimated. Laid down, November 13, 2009. Launched, October 11, 2013. Sponsored by, Susan Ford. Christened, November 9, 2013. Acquired, May 31, 2017. Commissioned, July 22, 2017. Homeport, Norfolk, Virginia, U.S. Bottom, integrity at the helm. Status, inactive service. General specifications. Class and type, Gerald R. Ford class aircraft carrier. Displacement, about 100,000 long tons, 100,000 tons, full load. Length, 1,092 feet, 333 meters, 1,106 feet, 337 meters. Beam, 134 feet, 41 meters, water line. 256 feet, 78 meters, flight deck. Height, nearly 250 feet, 76 meters. Decks, 25. Installed power, 2 A1B nuclear reactors. Propulsion, 4 shafts. Speed, in excess of 30 knots, 56 kilometers per hour, 35 miles per hour. Range, unlimited, 20 to 25 years. Complement, 4,539, including air wing. Sensors and processing systems, /SPY3 multifunction radar, MFR, X-band active electronically scanned array and /SPY4 volume search radar, VSR, S-band active electronically scanned array. Armament, surface-to-air missiles, 2 times RIM 162 ESSM launchers 2 times RIM 116 RAM. Guns, 3 times Phalanx CWIS 4 times M2.50 California, 12.7 millimeters, machine guns. Aircraft carried, 75 plus. Aviation facilities, 1,092 feet times 256 feet, 333 meters times 78 meters. Thanks for watching the video to the end. Please subscribe and share.